My favorite movie of all time, just so you know. I like just how tight the story is, the cinematography, and the director of photography for the Matrix trilogy was the director of photography for Cosmos. He knew how to do a thing or two with the camera. This is one of the you look at Cosmos and say, oh, this is great, and you'd see me, like I had something to do with the camera angle? No. These are people with talent out there making these images. And I'm there delivering it, yeah, but we have writers and set designers and composers. And so I'm the most visible part of Cosmos, but that's not how. So, The Matrix. I only have one complaint about The Matrix. Everything else I'm cool with. I buy into the premise, I'm cool. The Matrix badly violates the second law of thermodynamics. So, the second law of thermodynamics. Here's the thing. If you have energy here, and you want to put the energy here, there's several ways you can do it. But if that energy transforms in any way between here and there, you lose some of it. You lose some of it. So I have gasoline, measure how much energy is in it, put it in your car, run the car. The car does not run on 100% of the energy you put in it. It loses some of that energy to heat. The engine gets hot. The temperature of the engine does not help you go forward. It is lost energy that was contained in the gallon of gas you put in. Okay. You always lose something if you go through a step. So the best thing to do is don't go through steps. So the premise of this film is that the future machines use humans as an energy source to drive the Matrix. And so humans are harvested and kept alive because we actually radiate about 100 watts. About 100 watts. I tweeted that once during the Super Bowl. Remember the Super Bowl where the lights went out? I'm tweeting like the physics of the gridiron, and there's cool things like a 50-yard field goal kick deflects a half inch to the left because of an energy source in the Matrix. And it was analogized to copper top battery. Okay, here's the problem. You have to feed the humans to keep them alive. Whatever you're feeding them has energy content. So just use that energy to drive the Matrix and bypass the middleman. You don't need the humans. You are losing energy by making human beings in the middle of this. So, other than that, the movie's awesome. I don't know how else they could have made the movie. Maybe that was a purposeful. The Wachowski brothers, they're not dumb. I mean, they know a lot. So maybe they knew this, but maybe I have to give them that. You got to give them that conceit to then run the rest of the story. So that's my only issue.